coming to all of us. You see, we have a lot of wars coming to us. The 2013 war, we wasted thousands of lives of our people. But just died like that. The white army just died like that. But we don't appreciate their sacrifice. But there are wars coming for us. All of us, these wars are not going to differentiate between the SPLM-IG, the SPLM-IO, OPP, and NAS, South Sudan United Front. All these parties are not going to be differentiated when that war comes. We have war coming from northern Baganda, place called Warwet. They sometimes call it peace agreement 14 miles. That war needs all the Junubin to fight in that war. And it is not going to discriminate. If it passes through a will, it will come through Wow, it will come to Warab, and also come to Equatorial and Upper Nile. We have to be together. These things of fighting ourselves, it is not the way forward for us. Our people need to be united. And there is also war coming from Western Baganda in a place called Kafia Kesenji. That war does not differentiate anyone. It doesn't differentiate the Dinka and other tribes. It will all come and clear all of us. Because this is the war coming to eliminate all of us in our country. We the youth of the country, we need to see what is coming our way. We need to see. So now our country is destabilized. This is the time the neighbors will attack. We have a lot of disputes in our borders. We have also war coming from Apana in Ruang administrative area. It is called sometime in Panto, and the Arabs call it Acholi. That place is a war over resources, natural resources like crude oil. That war will not differentiate us between the SPLMIO, SPLMIG. This war is going to clear all of us. So we have to be one people first before we go to front line. Like the way before in the SPLA days. We used to be one people. And that's the reason why we used to win. You see now because we are disunited in the country, that is the reason why they brought the Ugandan army. But if we are united as the country like before, there is no need of a foreign army. SPLA have never been held by a foreign army since 1983 until 2005. SPLA have never been held by a foreign army. When we check the life of our people now, we put in a lot of division. There are a lot of rebel forces in Batoro. There are a lot of rebel forces in Afana. There are a lot of rebel forces in Barkaza region. These are the forces destabilizing the country, making our army weak. And now we are renting foreign forces to come and help us. We have war coming in, Ilemi Triangle, and it was going to be with the Kenyans. They took our land in Ilemi Triangle. Ilemi is the name of Anyakim. The name of that land after Anyakim, there is no Kenyan called Ilemi. So that land is the land, it is going to be a war over resources. And this war will not differentiate between Anyak and Taposa. This war is just going to clear all of us. And the war plans of a neighbor or enemy fighting with that might even go and bomb Juba. Why do you think that the Ilemi Triangle was a problem? So we have to be keen before deciding. We have to be very serious. And there is war coming in Maui County in the future also. Against the Ugandan forces, the UPDF, which is already in Juba, it is not a friendly force. They have already taken our land in Maui County. They are growing sugar plantation there. They are encroaching. That war is going to need all of us to be, not only people of Eastern Equatoria that to fight for that land. No, it is not like that. We have to be united first before we attack. The war is coming also in Keji. The Ugandan forces are encroached, and you know Keji is one of the counties of Central Equatoria, Juba, which is the capital of South Sudan. It is not far away from Juba. That Keji, which has been taken by the Ugandan army, it is not far. So we, the youth of the country, we don't need to follow the politician or the community elders who are using you for their own interests. And even you have been seen, it is not new. When these community leaders or community elders or politicians, when they get the positions, they only employ their relatives. You already know some of them. They have already only employed their relatives. They don't employ those who struggle with them. And this is the issue in our country. There is a lot of defection. People move from one place to another. Our people need to be serious. The youth have to see. Because the country now is in our hands. The elders are 70 and above. And the age and the life expectancy of our country, that they reach 80 years. If you only reach 80 years, the rest die at 60. So the country now belongs to us, the youth. If we are not serious, our country will never recover from civil wars. We need to refrain ourselves from this community violence, from tribal wars, from regional wars. And we have to refrain ourselves from following community politicians, tribal politicians, So the youth of the country have to see. We have to see very well. If we don't see, then the future of our country is fading away from our hands when we are seeing. So we, the youth of the country, we have to be very serious. We have to see. Don't follow elders who have already wasted their youth. If they are not youth, they are not in the same generation with you. So why are they commanding you to do things on their ground? We have to be serious as the youth of the country. We have to focus, we have to redirect our energy into the innovation of our country. Our country needs all of us. It doesn't need few sections. It needs everyone to come together.